Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily embed a Mentimeter presentation directly into Canva. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, head over to menti.com and create your presentation. If you haven't already, you'll need to either sign in or sign up. Once your presentation is ready, click on the Share button at the top. You'll see a link here, but from my experience, that link doesn't always work inside Canva. So instead of copying that one, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This link works more reliably. Now, open Canva and create a new presentation. On the left-hand side, click on Apps. In the Apps search box, type Embed, and then open the Embed app. Paste the Mentimeter URL into the box, then click Add to Design. You'll see your Mentimeter presentation appear instantly on your slide. You can resize it or place it anywhere you like. The cool thing is, your Mentimeter is now fully live and interactive inside your Canva presentation. So when you're presenting to your students, colleagues, or audience, they'll be able to see the access code and interact in real time. To get your access code, just go back to Mentimeter, click Share, and you'll see the code displayed right there. You can even adjust the code expiration if needed. For example, extend it to 14 days. Now you can smoothly switch between your Canva slides and the live Mentimeter slide without leaving your presentation. And that's it. Your Mentimeter is now fully embedded into Canva. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.